Are you kidding me? There's a very specific reason why I wanted this. And once again, I think any sort of Gen X or maybe younger boomer gals out there are going to know exactly what this is. And I think I'm going to show you actually, let's look in the box, then I'll show you the reason I wanted to get it. But look at that. This, did anybody else literally have this when they were younger? Clearly I didn't have this. I think it was like my mother's, my grandmother's, but here you go. Here's the proof that I actually used this when I was a kid. So we will definitely be recreating that picture. And I even have a sheet set duvet cover that is so similar to that picture. So stick around for that. It will be coming up very soon. And this, of course, we will be testing out, because if I could just lay in bed and like get my hair dried, how awesome. And maybe it'll be good for keeping the Irish curls in my hair. That's I just recently found out that I have if I don't straighten it.